Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kunu ansar Allah. O you who profess to believe, become helpers of Allah. Just imagine. Allah, the most powerful, the all-powerful, the omnipotent, the Al-Aziz, Al-Qahhar, Al-Qadir, is asking you for help. What does it mean? Now add this point to the promises that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is making. If you are responding positively to call of jihad, first promise was, يَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ ذُنُوبَكُمْ. He will forgive your mistakes and shortcomings and sins and make you enter Jannah. This should be the goal. This is the highest success. Second, maybe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala crowns your efforts in jihad with success in this world also. Number three, you will be raised to the level that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will call you my helpers. Can there be any higher spiritual station than this? Helpers of Allah. A creature, a creation, makhlooq, always depending on his, even for his existence, on the will of Allah, becoming the helper of Allah. Is it poetry? Is it exaggeration? No. It's absolutely logical. Why? Now just analyze it. This world belongs to Allah. He is the rightful ruler. There is a revolt or rebellion against him. There are usurpers who are claiming sovereignty. If you fight them and restore to Allah His right of sovereignty, are you not helping Him?